My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an Amazon brand called Queen Young in this review. Inside of the box you get the wig itself. They give you an insert, a rat tail comb, and 2 HD wig caps. So this is a 5x5 closure wig. It is 10 inches. As you can see, that's the closure. This is a glueless wig, so it does not come with any combs or anything like that. It's 100% glueless. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my wig with lace tint. I use the red brand in medium brown, and I just cover the entire closure. Now this is a new can, so it was coming out really powerful, and as you can see, it got on the hair. But don't worry, just grab some alcohol on a paper towel, and just on the areas where it got on the hair, just wipe it off and it will work just fine. Okay, as you can see, it's off. So now we can move forward. I'm gonna take a cream contour shade, or you can take a cream foundation, just anything that is your skin tone that is cream, and rub it on your wig cap where you know it will show through the lace. So this is how it's looking straight out of the box. I did not bleach the knots. If you just prep it right, you can really skip the bleaching step altogether. And the lace is looking good. So for my really lazy, laid back installs, I just use Got To Be because I do love a melt. Again, this wig is glueless, but I like that melted look. I don't like to really see where the lace begins and stops. So I just spray the Got To Be right on the hairline, just like you just saw. I comb it back to make sure that all the hairs are out of the way. And I just simply tie it down after that. But you want to saturate it really good across the hairline. Don't go past it, don't go behind it, just right on it. Tie it down, blow dry it to set it. And as simple as that. So this is what we're looking like so far. I'm just going to loosen up that hair again after I've taken the band off. And now we're going to move on to cutting off the lace. Go ahead and get a nice sharp razor. Make sure not to cut yourself because they can be sharp. But this is the best way to get a jagged edge and get really close to the hairline. So after I cut off my lace, I go back in with the same brush I used for my wig cap, just whatever product is left in it. I tap around the hairline to get rid of any white cast or anything like that. Then I come back and do the exact same thing I did before with the Got To Be, just to marinate the foundation, the lace, the skin, make it all one again, because sometimes when you're cutting the lace off, you get a little lifting and stuff like that. So now I'm going in with my wax stick. I'm not usually a product girl. I don't really use a wax stick often, but this hair is very silky. It had body and everything to it, and I just really needed it to lay down and look really styled. So that's why I used it. Just want to get rid of any lumps or bumps. So now I'm gonna kind of focus on my part. Like I said, the knots were not bleached, but it's really looking good. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the same cream contour shade that I used for my wig cap and my hairline. And I'm just gonna take it on an angled brush and just tap it into that part to cover up any knots on the top side, because we kind of already covered them with the lace tint on the bottom. So I'm just coming back with that cream contour shade to seal off everything on the top and make it look seamless. And I use a tapping motion. I'm not really rubbing it, I'm tapping it in to really build a foundation. This hair kind of came out of the box already flipped, so that's my get down. I loved the flipped ends. I love me a good flip, so I was like, I'm going with it. Of course, I just kind of helped some sections along that might have gotten pressed down in the box or whatever. It's just super cute. And of course, you don't have to style yours like mine. You can do the middle part, or you can part it to the side and bump it towards your chin. You know, you can style it however you like, but this is really cute to me. So this is kind of what we're looking like in the end, you know, after she's styled and all put together. Scalp is giving scalp. I can tell you that without bleach knots. 100% no bleach knots. And they weren't even the smallest knots. But baby, you can't see them. And she has so much body. Look at her go. This wig beats my expectations. Look at this. Look at the hairline. Transparent lace. I'm usually not a fan of transparent lace. But this girl right here, she's got it together, and she's from Amazon. You cannot beat this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.